Namaste Cubers, and this video will be featuring the second step of the beginner's method, which is the first layer. So in last video we made a cube like this, and in this video we will just put all of those corner pieces into their correct places. So there are basically 4 insertion algorithms for that, which is used for inserting the pieces into their correct places. But before that you should know where to apply and how to apply these algorithms and the main terms used. In this we just look in the downer layer and we use the piece in the lower layer as the desired piece and the place we need to put the desired place. So firstly let us find a white corner piece in the lower layer like this. If we pick this, now how to identify where it goes? Firstly we need to see the color combination of it, like it is containing white, blue and orange in it. So it will go where the white, blue and orange center meets, which is this place. So we need to firstly take it under the desired place. The desired piece is this, desired place is this, and it is in the right side. So we will use the algorithm d prime r prime dr, which will insert this piece over here. So now let us find another piece, which is this. Now the desired piece is this, desired place is this. Firstly we need to take it under it, and it is in the left side. So we will use the algorithm d l d prime l prime. If you need to know what the notations we are using, you can refer to the video of notations in the link down the description below. Now again, these were the 2 insertion algorithms which are known as 4 move insert, as it combines 4 notations to form an algorithm. So now I will be telling about 3 move inserts. When the desired piece is below and the desired place is upwards, and the white color is in our right side, in the right layer. Earlier it was in our left side and the white was in the front, or it was in the right side and the white part was in the front. Now it's in the right side. So we'll use the algorithm r prime d prime r. It's a 3 move insert. Again, desired place is this, desired place is this, white color is in the right side, in the right layer. We will use r prime d prime r. Simple. Now another piece we need to find. This piece we have found, and this will go there. So we'll just put it under it. It's also in our right side. So we'll use the algorithm r prime d prime r. So our first layer is complete. Now some situations occur. This 3 move insert, I just told three algorithms for the insertion. Now this one is the 4th. When the piece is facing towards the left side, desired piece is facing towards the left side, and the desired place is upwards, we use l d l prime. It's a 3 move insert for this kind of situation, like this. And the situation like this could occur, where the piece is in its correct place but it need to be inverted. For that we need to take it out in the lower layer by replacing it with any piece like this or this in the lower layer, any piece. So I am taking this piece and it will be easy. Use a 4 move insert or a 3 move insert, or either of them. I will use a 3 move insert, r prime d prime r. So here another situation occurs. If it comes in our lower layer, then we just do it by simply using our 3 move insert. But now it's in the lower layer but the white is facing downward. So for that we will use another algorithm. You can use this algorithm by both of the side. Firstly I'm telling the right side, that is r prime d2 r, which will bring this piece in the downer as it was earlier, but make it facing white color like this. And the other algorithm we use is by left side pieces under like this, we use L D to L prime, and then use a simple 4 move insert or 3 move insert. I will use a 4 move insert here, D prime R prime D R. Now sometimes it could occur that the piece is underneath and you just do it when a correct already aligned piece is over it by using the same algorithm like R prime D to R. Then the both of the pieces will come out like this, and for this you need to again do some hard work. I suggest you can do it just easily by doing it under a piece which is not useful for us and which is known as garbage like this. I just use the same algorithm R prime D to R, but now nothing happened and all the 3 other pieces are aligned correctly, so we can just put it by using simple algorithm D L D prime L prime. So by this our first layer is completed, and if you have not checked our first video, so please check the link down in the description and you will find how to make the cross. If you don't know it, this video will be definitely difficult for you to understand, and the first video is must. If you like the video, please like and subscribe us. Thank you.
Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for our latest updates.